Okay, you guys, I have here my seasoned chicken. We have our seasoned flour, and we have our egg yolks. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to scramble that right quick. We're gonna add some water to this, but not scramble it. I meant to say, shit. What I meant to say? Stir. Okay, we add a little bit of hot sauce to this. And we're going to add some water. That was just 1 cup, okay? Okay, so I got my grease, my Crisco, getting hot. So this is what we're going to do. Hey, you want to give me some gloves right quick?
Yeah.
Please. My hands going to get dirty. So we're gonna dip our chicken into the egg batter and then into the flour. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Piece of chicken. Get it good and coated with the flour. I'm in the egg mixture. Shake off the excess. Drop it into your flour mixture. Do all pieces likewise. Okay, we're going to shake this up. Give this a nice little shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Okay, then you're going to take your chicken. Shake off that excess flour. Drop it in here. Fry it enough. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 more piece. And I'm gonna let these get done, and I'm gonna do the rest of the chicken and show you, and be back and show you what this, guys, is gonna look like plated up. So you guys, I was gonna do a dessert tonight, apple pie, but I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and do it, simply because, you know, tomorrow is Sunday and then we have our dessert. But I really and truly was gonna do it tonight. But I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna upload this so you guys can get these 2 recipes. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come back with my Sunday's dinner. And actually I'm gonna have 2 recipes for you tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna do homemade apple pie my way, and it's gonna be my pre-Thanksgiving dinner. It's gonna continue until tomorrow. So pre-Thanksgiving dinner is consists of my YouTube family members. One of my YouTube family members requested fried chicken, and another one of my YouTube family members requested homemade macaroni and cheese. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back with you the continue of the pre-Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna be doing the homemade apple pie for dessert, and we're gonna be doing some crackling cornbread. So you guys don't want to miss that, because if you ain't never had crackling cornbread, you want to try it my way, because it's gonna be good. Okay, and it's gonna be good. Okay, crackling cornbread, yes. So those are the 2 recipes I'll be coming back to you tomorrow, Lord's for Life Sunday. Crackling cornbread and homemade apple pie. You don't want to miss tomorrow's video, or this one. Bacon, macaroni and cheese, and fried chicken. Sure, you can have fried chicken on Thanksgiving. There ain't no rule that say you can't. You have as much meat as you would like. So you guys, I'm gonna let this chicken fry up, and I'll be back to show you what everything looks like plated up.